Hi, this is Kamya Johar, firstborn to my parents and elder sister to two siblings, an engineer turned digital marketer and an influencer. You are now listening to the transcript. After listening to the transcript, you have to answer questions in the comment section. You are now listening to the transcript. Dissociative identity disorder or DID, previously known as multiple personality disorder, is thought to be an effect of severe trauma during early childhood, usually extreme, repetitive physical, sexual, or emotional abuse. Most of us have experienced mild dissociation, which is like daydreaming or getting lost in the moment while working on the project. However, dissociative identity disorder is a severe form of dissociation, a mental process which produces a lack of connection in a person's thoughts, memories, feelings, actions, or sense of identity. Dissociative identity disorder is thought to stem from trauma experienced by the person with the disorder. The dissociative aspect is thought to be a coping mechanism. The person literally dissociates himself from a situation or experience that's too violent, traumatic, or painful to assimilate within his conscious self. Dissociative identity disorder is characterized by presence of two or more distinct or split identities or personality states that continually have power over the person's behavior. With dissociative identity disorder, there is also an inability to recall key personal information that is too far reaching to be explained as mere forgetfulness. With dissociative identity disorder, there are also highly distinct memory variations which fluctuate with a person's split personality. The alters or different identities have their own age, sex, or race. Each has his or her own postures, gestures, and distinct way of talking. Sometimes the alters are imaginary people, sometimes they are animals, as each personality reveals itself and controls the individual's behavior and thoughts. It's called switching. Switching can take seconds to minutes to days. While there is no cure for dissociative identity disorder, long-term treatment can be helpful if patient stays committed. Effective treatment includes talk therapy or psychotherapy, hypnotherapy, and adjunctive therapies such as art or movement therapy. There are no established medication treatments for dissociative identity disorder, making psychologically based approaches the mainstay of therapy. You are now listening to the questions. Question number 1. Multiple personality disorder is now known as DASH disorder. Option A. Disturbed identity. Option B. Dissociative identity. Option C. Dissociative idiot. Option D. Destructive intent. You are now listening to question number 2. Dissociation is a mental process which produces a dash in person's thoughts, memories, feelings, actions, or sense of identity. Option A. Disturbance. Option B. Synthesis. Option C. Lack of connection. Option D. Sense of unity. You are now listening to question number 3. DID is thought to stem from some dash experienced in life by a person having the disorder. Option A. Trauma. Option B. Happy experience. Option C. Injury. Option D. Torture. You are now listening to question number 4. DID is characterized by the presence of dash, distinct or split identities that continually have power over the person's behavior? Option A, 3. Option B, a few. Option C, slightly. Option D, 2 or more. You are now listening to question number 5. What is the meaning of switching occurring in dissociative identity order? You are now listening to question number 6. Is there any cure for DID? What alternative is there? Comment the answers below. After 10 comments, I'll include the answers in the description box. Till then, stay happy, stay peaceful, stay grateful.